Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is very similar to the previous one. It is *pound 07 pound. And as you can see, we've got the regulatory information, so here we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *pound 225 pound *pound. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the Diagnostics. It is *pound 426 pound *. And as I said, we are in the Diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level. After tapping on events, you can check some further details about the connection. We can also tap on 3 dots icon, show advanced view just by tapping on it and tapping on the status again. As you can see here, we've got more info, just like the heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the testing menu. Let's say it is *pound 4636 pound *. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone information, the debugging information, usage statistics, NFC settings or Wi-Fi information. So let's pick, for example, phone info, and as you can see here, we've got the information like the email number, current network, data service or data network type. What's more, we can run ping test here, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's check, for example, the debugging information, and here you will have to allow the hidden menu to access the device's location. So let me tap on only this time, and as you can see, here we've got the information that our LTE option is in error state. Let's get back and let's pick usage statistics. Here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are right now in this device. So you can check, for example, that we've been using the settings for above 8 minutes. Of course, we can change the sorting type. Right now it is the usage time, but we can set last time used or at the app name. So for example, after tapping on it, all apps and processes will be listed alphabetically. Let me get back and let's check the NFC settings, and as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected to the NFC mode. So here we've got tag, read or write, we've got peer-to-peer or host card emulation. Of course, you can turn them on or off just by tapping on those switchers. It's really up to you how you want to set it. Let's pick also the Wi-Fi information, and here we've got the API configuration or the status. Let me pick the status. Here we have to refresh the stats in order to check, for example, the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let me get back because that's all for this code, and let me show you another code which I would say it is the most interesting one, and because it will open the engineering mode. So it is *pound 2486 pound *. And of course you will have to give all the permissions, so let me do it. And as you can see, we are, let's say, in the testing mode. So here you can check the components of your device just by tapping on this menu mode. And as you can see, you can check the display, the camera, headset, key, sensor, SIM card, touch screen, version, and so on and so on. So I highly recommend to stay in this mode, using this code, because here you can check your device. So for example, let me check the touch screen. Let's pick, for example, the diagonal, and here we've got the information that we have to tap on this white dot in the corner and follow the path. So let me do it, and as you can see right now I have to follow the line in order to check if the screen works right here perfectly. So as I said, I highly recommend to stay here and have fun. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.